Okay, layer 5, I think.
This is like step one of order of operations, bro.
I know. Oh,
Oh, such a thin cave. Blue hit
Orbital
point
laser.
access slingshots.
I love orbital laser.
oh, guys, that's on the laser work.
Whoa,
I still haven't done this one yet. Well, like the challenge.
where am I?
Wall.
Wait, what?
You think that? You know? No, I'm not gonna say it. Not gonna say it.
Oh, there we go.
I was just gonna say something.
Oh,
Oh shoot, I forgot we're in water.
five.
Okay, I guess we'll go here first. And I get quick scope mitter.
Stacking snowboard.
There we go. Get out of here.
I got my 600 gold. I can rest.
Okay, let's
Trying
go
to yell
like
at you.
this.
More rage.
It's not
What?
English.
What's not English?
Wait, can't you like?
I'm trying to figure out what someone said something in the model.
Yeah, I thought so.
That's like what you try to say, I think.
I totally sniped that. I'm so good at this. Oh.
When I message you.
Yes.
Uh-oh. I didn't get rid of the virtue before going in here. Love that. Okay, you're angry for some reason. Okay, get out of there.
Do we continue model defensing, or do you want to do like Forsaken or something?
We can keep on all defensing. Wave 40, or do 40 waves, 50
So it
ability,
literally
Wow.
does not matter what we do for you.
blasters for my weekly,
Get
and
out.
air is.
So aquatic then raid.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, I went the wrong way. Okay, let's see.
For
Towards the end of the level, I assume? Oh, jeez.
We do have to bring coral. It really doesn't matter since we built from Century Tree.
I'll bring foil.
Water
Uh,
map.
your what map? What?
What water map?
It's been forever since I played, so I don't remember the name.
Um,
You want to do Taiga?
start spinning.
I just
Oh, no.
Best one's Pumpkin Field, in my opinion.
maybe like 30 number slot.
I dealt with them. Knuckle Blaster, Rail Cannon, Ground Slam, Shockwave, something, 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 something. Ow!
Alright, I am back defense heal.
Okay. Totally not broken.
Okay, for real. I'm on 5 health. Heal, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, okay, you're upset 'cause I'm not giving you attention. Where even is this virtue?
What did he say?
Yeah, what did he say?
I heard upset. I don't think he said that.
Where is this virtue? Oh, there you are. Alright. 10 minutes on that level is crazy.
What level?
5-1.
Nice, I just give you a review on Drake's to Eddie Leviathan.
This level looks so cool.
Tom, what do you think of that level?
No, this one.
We are not struggling. Do not listen to the haters. We are not struggling.
We are not struggling.
You are struggling.
I guess we'll use the hidden detection better.
Fire.
Okay. Okay, I guess you're just dead. Get out of here. What? Oh wait, this is the yeah, you. That was completely necessary.
Screwdriver!
That was completely necessary, okay? Oh look, it's Gabriel. Oh, an idle freaking virtue, that's deviant. That's diabolical.
That. But like, why does he have nostrils? I just realized that. Why does he have eyes? Like,
Those are his actual eyes. The yellow ones are actually for deception.
look, baby eyes.
Okay. Skull? Mano, mano, mano. Oh. Anyway, I think we need to find red, so.
I forgot that doesn't.
Okay.
His tech makes his damage ramp up with the targets bouncing.
Wow. That's a lot.
Like each target, I think is that it bounces like 10% bonus damage.
That's really good. 30, or 19 damage if he split the intention.
Let me go actually grab the red one now. Oh, I just barely made that.
What?
You not remember me sending you the video?
But why are you saying Ethan? Why are you saying this about Ethan?
Wait, I did not say that was Ethan. I was remembering it.
I will. You finna die. Oh shit, he's getting struck by
I
lightning.
totally forgot that this unit has hidden detection.
I need to buy order 13.
Oh, what? Oh, you motherfucker.
Yeah, sorry.
That we have full power on the wheel.
Full auto.
Full auto.
Fuller auto.
No, it is a very interesting precedent.
Got him.
Max.
What's the plan for the boss?
What boss?
Heal spam.
Oh, wait, never mind.
Poor
Oh,
guy.
I got it at half.
With this guy.
I got a half decent rank on time. It's not a D, okay?
Are you gonna get the saw blade, Bird?
I don't know. I'll get it eventually.
I don't even remember.
And
Yeah, let's go here.
and you have to shoot a rail gun
Oh, what the heck?
water,
Okay.
and one of the doors will
Oh,
open.
okay. Of course, you guys are waking up.
Listen to his cry from his sick bay.
Ow. Alright. Um. Okay, you really have to move as soon as I was shooting you. That's where I came from.
I love to do I love to do revamp to the levels.
He
You know,
hates the old revamp.
Sinister.
I hope
We should do randomized raid.
randomized raid.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's Gabriel.
Add heal.
Oh, look, that's a bunch of other stuff.
Raid. Why not? But
And I got a friggin' thing thrown in my face. Is this even where I'm supposed to go?
yes. Well,
Oh, okay, I see.
Where actually,
Oh, jeez. I'm sorry that I was interrupting you guys' sleep or whatever, but like,
we forgot about the really small option.
yeah. Skippity tell. Why you put that?
It was for the sillies.
What? The rare tower is like
alright.
deep one stuff like that.
I'm just gonna make them twice as rare.
Uh,
I'm gonna make some other ones that aren't rare towers rarer as
Holy
well.
yeah.
okay.
That was yapping so much.
What? I don't want to come up with
Sink and supply hanger when I'm around.
no. I was thinking of like I was
I made the executive decision, although it is great, it is the raid towers, we are not making Icicle Factory rarer. You're gonna make barnacles rarer.
Okay, really?
keep the wheel, or are you gonna roll it?
I'm giving you the wheel.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's all of them. Okay.
That was so close to Ken.
Still a really good roll to be honest.
Uh, I'm sure it's nothing. Oh, doink.
No. No! How did I go from S to F here?
Oh, okay then.
Are you leading them from the wheel as you go? So you can roll. You just refresh the page. Mutant! Percentage 3.
I have you in the second. Yeah, I don't know if I have the revamp now.
Oh, how could you? Everyone knows the mutant tree's goated.
Oh,
Everyone? Everyone?
oh,
I made that one rarer too.
yeah. Can I like?
Wait, did we get
Chocolates.
any radiation?
I got radiation.
You elaborate? Which one?
Okay, yep, there we go.
Have to trigger my nest.
That's just a bunch of water.
Wow.
Wait, I have an idea. Did I just shoot the painting instead of the water? Wow.
Decal like at all.
The decal is optimally used with Harvester and Radar. So it's pretty hard to use without Radar.
I'm bugged.
What do you mean you're bugged?
Where do I go?
I can't play
Oh wait, this
it.
is pushing me. Oh.
Mom, you're selling!
I'm not selling. Look.
You're selling so bad!
Oh wait, am I supposed to? Okay. Oh wait. Oh, that's just okay. That's the end of the level. Nice.
Oh.
11 minutes is a C. That's crazy.
My headphones disconnected.
Can't believe you, Tom.
Wow, that was a really bad score.
Are you prepared to P rank that? You should go back and P rank it.
No. Oh,
I'm
this is...
bugged this boss, dude. I hate this boss.
It's Sea Serpent Diloson.
Bro, I can't kill Dilason. He's gonna Savage Blow me.
Remove one word from that sentence and everything goes to hell.
Wait, what?
Wait, is there a reason? You know what you did.
You know what you did. Oh, that's so diabolical.
I didn't get the prompt for rejoining.
What do you mean?
I didn't get the prompt for rejoining.
Bro's selling.
What's oh, hello.
First and last time we play randomized raid chat. Bro sold so hard that round.
She's not my fault.
It was all your fault. You made this rejoin system.
I
Oh,
blame
jeez.
Trunky for this.
Oh, I didn't buy anything. Wait, oh, I'm riding the rocket! What? What just happened? I'm riding the rocket. Okay, wait, let me.
I wonder why Bro's moving so weird.
I'm riding the rocket.
Imagine on Ultrakill Must Die or whatever. Every enemy was a gradient.
That would suck.
We on my way to do that one room in P2 with the 4 sentries.
Oh, come on!
You can hit one shot as 2.
Usually, like, before doing that, I have to, like, make a starter trap for one of them. So, like, I know one is a guaranteed death.
Oh,
Like,
oh shoot!
what?
Wait, what? Oh,
I love how they changed this boss. This boss is actually interesting now.
bro, did you see my failed attempt at parrying?
Walking off.
That one was good though. Yeah,
Got him.
do that serpent.
I missed. There we go.
It would have been so cool if you did it.
It would have been
It
so. It
cool.
would have been so awesome. I got an S on kills, guys! Guys, I got an S on kills!
Go P rank it real quick.
No, we're not P ranking it. Stop. You're Roberting.
Oh.
You're literally Roberting, bro. Alright, that was a fun boss fight. That was truly.
Roberting